Hi, my name is Tom Hearn. I work for Europro and I manage the construction for their Kitchener-Waterloo portfolio. We are in the second phase of Conestoga College built out on the Market Square campus for international students. We have provided an additional 18,000 square feet of campus with classrooms, teaching facilities, fully built out by Ball Construction. Ball Construction was chosen as the best contractor for this project. Ball Construction accompanied their competitive quote with a detailed schedule that give Europro full confidence of the timing of this project. Conestoga College is a very important tenant of Europro, so we wanted to make sure we selected a contractor that gave us the trust that they were going to be providing our tenants the top quality product at the end of the day, but as well as process, because we wanted to make sure we were happy with the way we got there and that things were organized and done correctly. Ball Construction was presented with a very aggressive timeline for this project as we had semester starting for Conestoga College. With this project having a firm end date, Ball was committed to its organization to make sure that this project ran as efficiently as possible. That organization was seen from both an office perspective as well as a site perspective. Simultaneously, we saw a nice transition between trades. Things were scheduled efficiently, delivery dates were kept throughout the project. So working downtown Kitchener in a multi-tenanted building here presents its set of challenges. Ball was able to identify the issues and come up with efficiencies that made it so construction could be ongoing efficiently. Ball worked with our in-house security team as well as the operators throughout this building to ensure that this was done to minimize the impact on our tenants, as well as create a space that was going to be safe for their workers here. Conestoga College and Europro were very happy with how the project turned out. I think as well as that, Ball Construction was happy with the process and how we got there. Every project kind of has its own struggles and challenges, but Ball did a great job of foreseeing any issues that were upcoming, especially ones that would have scheduling impacts, and they corrected those or addressed them beforehand. They were always very open book with problems so that we could tackle them as a team. And it always did feel like a team situation. As far as quality, you could see the pride that came from all levels of construction, and that was shown throughout the workmanship. When we were doing deficiencies, items were already corrected before we were identifying them. Ball did a great job of being proactive in these situations to ensure that by the time the customer saw it, the product was already at 100%. So Ball was able to incorporate some very cool details throughout this project. We have an elevated security desk. We have the use of acoustical panel and a number of different millwork details throughout the project. Their dedication to the project was unbelievable. You typically don't see that from other general contractors. You could tell they went home, thought about what needed to be done the next day, planned, and then executed the following days. Professionalism throughout Ball Construction is very much evident, and I think that's created from the organizational structure that they create. When they're dealing with representatives from Conestoga College and Europro, they're representing them in the best way possible. Myself and Brent Cochran built a great relationship throughout this project. It was lovely to see not only his leadership of the project, but his mentoring of Ethan Ball, Atticus Matheson. He did an exceptional job, all while keeping a smile on his face for the whole project. Atticus really does stand as a benchmark for site supervision. As we go forward, I'm going to be looking forward to working with Atticus, Brent, Ethan, the whole Ball team. Every individual I encountered throughout the whole process was met with positivity and made me excited to continue working with them. I would definitely highly recommend Ball Construction for any project.